In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Google Gemini on your MacBook. This works for both MacBook Air and MacBook Pro models running macOS. To get started, open Safari or any web browser on your Mac. Then head over to Google and search for Google Gemini Mac. From the search results, click on the first official Google Gemini link. This will take you directly to the official Gemini download page, and if you want quicker access, I'll also leave the direct download link in the video description below. Once you're on the download page, look for the Download for Mac button and click on it. The Gemini installer will begin downloading automatically. After the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the file named gemini.dmg. Double-click on the file to open it. You'll now see a new installation window appear on your screen. From here, simply drag the Gemini icon into the Applications folder. This will install Gemini onto your Mac. Once the installation finishes, you can close the window and move the installer file to the trash to keep your Downloads folder clean. Next, open Finder and go to the Applications folder. Find Gemini in the list of applications and double-click on it to launch the app. The first time you open Gemini, macOS may display a security message confirming that the app was downloaded from the internet. If you see this prompt, just click Open to continue. Gemini should now launch successfully on your MacBook. From here, you can sign in to your existing account or create a new one and start using Gemini immediately. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Gemini on your MacBook. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Mac and Tech tutorials.